Darren, I'm eating somebody else on a bibimbap.
When the rain hits my cheek, and I'll see it oh so clear. The way your presence made me feel.
Hindi pa ako nilalamig. Ito lang ang ice tea. Ito lang talaga gusto ko. Ito lang. Ladybug. Darren, I'm eating somebody else on a bibimbap. O kasi.
So I've done sorts of things the whole day because I get bored so easily. So I'm finishing up these papers to make flowers for tomorrow. And the new semester just started. I mean, it barely begun, but like there's a lot of things that I haven't done yet. I haven't organized my stuff, my schedules, my notebooks, everything, because I'm not yet in the mood to do so. And my classes aren't, my teachers aren't doing their classes yet. So I'm like, I have more free time right now. I should enjoy this free time that I have, because the moment I say or like declare that I'm like not busy at all, that's where I get busy. But what keeps me really busy right now is my org works, and then my academic works will slowly catch up. So yeah, I should just take everything easy.
Yay! Thank you! Sige po. Ay, sorry po.
Ang ganda ng drinks nyo.
Oh my
God! Itsura nito makakaiba. Das kampasa. Very minimum.
Ano marker? Nandoon. Sige.
Tingin-tingin ka na. Tingin na lang.
Gin bilog.
Ikaw nagsalat ng gin?
Hindi.
hungry.
So hungry.
Hi everyone, we are so hungry.
Hunger Games.
For the hungry.
When I walk down that street, I can hear you laughing loud, and I can't remember how you made that awful sound come out.
Meron ata.
Ano yung carbonara? Ganon yan. Wala.
Summer's always gonna come around.
Dapat kakagatin mo ito naman.
But I won't shed a tear.
Going to steam my uniform because apparently yesterday the school president gave us a memo that we're not allowed to wear other clothes starting today, and if we were to wear other clothes other than our uniform, we have to pass a letter. I'm so bummed because first of all, there's not enough electric fans in the classrooms, and this one's really not present to the feeling, and I hate it. But we gotta, oh my god, it's gonna ruin me. We're wearing our uniforms. Look. Hi guys. Asan si Jing? Ay. Ituloy na income si ate. Wala sa Lunes.
Cast in by someone else, life starts to open up, and the right relationship that looks like it came straight out of a rom-com.
Oh, galahad ka. Ay! Talaga. Okay.